So, hello everyone, welcome to EduTech. And guys, welcome to your very important session in which I will be discussing with you that how you guys can score more than 30 marks in the general awareness section for the SIDBI grade examination. So now guys, the time is very less. Your examination is on 28th of January and अब हमें अपनी स्पीड को अपनी प्रेपरेशन को बहुत ही जल्दी पेस अप करना है एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क विच इज ऑलवेज इन आवर माइंड इज कि जीए में मैक्सिमम स्कोर कैसे किया जा सके बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शन इन अवर एग्जामिनेशन. So, if I talk about general awareness, why it is important, you can see here. Out of your 200 marks, or if I say out of 160 questions, 50 questions are being asked from general awareness, which consists of 50 marks और time duration भी हमें काफी अच्छी मिली है यानी कि 30 minutes, which means we have still have enough time for the examination. Now, the second important thing is here one thing that has not been specified in the notification of SIDBI is the syllabus of these two things. It says they will be asking question on general awareness, but will be specially referring to banking and financial sector and economic and social issues. But they have not defined anything about ESI or banking and finance sector. So guys, in today's lecture, I will be elaborating about what to cover in ESI, what to cover in banking and finance, what to cover in general awareness based on the previous year paper of 2022. So now let's first tell me, well, let us first decode the syllabus of the examination based on the previous year paper. If I talk about the questions that have been asked, total 14 questions were asked from general awareness section. If I talk about overall general awareness, 16 were from your ESI, 12 were from banking and financial sector, which include the banking news like bank mergers, acquisitions, वो सब इसमें include है. 6 questions when I talk about banking awareness are the questions of basic banking. ठीक है, आरआरपी कितना हो रहा है, आरआरपी का शेयर क्या है, कौन आरआरपी में कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करता है, these kind of questions. And 2 questions are of static J, which was कि किस स्टेट किस कंट्री की कैपिटल कौन सी है और किस कंट्री की करेंसी कौन सी है. सो दीज आर बेसिकली ड्राइव्ड फ्रॉम करंट अफेयर्स ओनली. बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस इज वन थिंग दैट नीड्स टू. तो प्रॉपर अगर मैं देखा जाए, इफ वी ओवरऑल लुक एट द पेपर ऑफ द सिडबी ग्रेड ए, it is similar to banking examination, but the important thing it is the level here is a little bit apart, is little bit up than the normal banking examination, but it's not up to the level of RBI. RBI से थोड़ा सा इजी होगा, बट नॉर्मल बैंकिंग पेपर से थोड़ा सा आपका पेपर जो है वो टफ साइड पे होगा. Now, when I talk about the syllabus decoding here, so guys, when I look at the previous year paper, if I talk about overall general awareness, what needs to be covered here is the important dimensions from which the questions have been asked is first in news, ठीक है जी, government initiatives, acts and agreements, summits and conferences, science and tech, defense exercises, environment, sports, awards, daisy news, books and authors, places, fairs and festivals, appointments, persons, and miscellaneous. So here, many of the students might be wondering, sir, you have not mentioned about banking and finance current affairs, you have not mentioned about economic and social issues, and and you are still saying 28 questions have been asked from these two subjects. But guys, my basic point here is that when you talk about general awareness, these are the basic things we need to cover in the general awareness section. Okay, and if I talk about you have to cover किस प्रायोरिटी पे कवर करना है, इसी प्रायोरिटी पे आपको कवर करना है. पहले फर्स्ट न्यूज, जो भी इनिशिएटिव्स फर्स्ट टाइम सीनी न्यूज हैं, उनमें से क्वेश्चंस पूछने के चांस सबसे ज्यादा मैक्सिमम है. इट कुड बी डायरेक्ट, इट कुड बी indirect also. Now coming to the second important thing that many of you might be wondering is about what about ESI and what about banking and finance. So if we look at the questions that have been asked from ESI, major questions are asked from government schemes. Then they have asked questions of reports both of national and international organization, and from banking and finance current affairs. The important things are bank mergers or acquisitions, banking committees, or finance current affairs. Finance current affairs when I talk about general finance in nature. Okay, so general finance in nature is the finance current affairs. Now, guys, if I talk about the important thing here, let's look at the previous year questions and let's understand it with an example. देखिए क्वेश्चन आया था स्कोर्स के ऊपर, इट इज रिलेटेड टू फाइनेंस करंट अफेयर्स. देन द क्वेश्चन इज ऑन बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ स्कीम इज लॉन्च्ड इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ईयर, किस ईयर में लॉन्च हुआ. तो स्कीम्स में क्या पढ़ना है, बेसिक थिंग्स. Majority of questions that was asked in the schemes are basically from the Union Budget and Economic Survey, which was just released before the examination. So maximum questions आपके budget और economic survey में से आए थे. But this year, because the examination is preponing the budget and economic survey, it could be a thing that it might be a thing कि questions budget और economic survey में से कम पूछ के वो आपको latest session जो दिसंबर में हुआ है उसमें से ज्यादा question आपको examiner might ask you question. So Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao related to government schemes. National Family Health Survey is a report that is released, very important report that has been released. Then we talk about Lakshya Sen from sports, and Chandrasekhar server appointed. So appointments is important, and then is the consumer rights say Daisy News, which means जो dimensions मैंने आपको बोली हैं वही dimensions. I have seen you, I have given you the examples also from the previous year paper. The questions have been asked from these dimensions. Now, guys, the important thing here is how many months of current affairs preparation is enough to score 30 marks in the examination, because this is a very important thing. We have understood what we need to read, हमें क्या पढ़ना है, पर कितने महीने का पढ़ना है वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. So if I talk about the examination, so guys, desirable coverage will be 6 months. 6 months of current affair is required for the examination, in which I can say the last 3 months are the most important. You cannot skip the last 3 months. If I talk about this year examination, the examination is on January, तो जैन, दिसंबर, नवंबर ऑनवर्ड्स तो आपको बहुत ही अच्छी तरह करंट अफेयर्स को प्रिपेयर करना है. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट 2 months बियॉन्ड, तो सितंबर को भी आप कवर कर सकते हो अच्छी तरीके. ठीक है जी. चलिए अब आते हैं इसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस थिंग, हाउ वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट, लुक एट द क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैव डिस्कस्ड विद यू एंड लुक एट द थिंग व्हेन इट वाज सीन इन न्यूज़. स्कोर्स, इट इज सीन इन न्यूज़ ऑन 18th of November. 18th of November को स्कोर्स आपका न्यूज़ में था, व्हिच मींस इफ योर एग्जामिनेशन इज इन अप्रैल, सो नवंबर बिकम्स योर 6th month. देन 4th of Feb, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme is launched. Even it was seen in news in the budget also. It was seen in the news of month of March also. But why I have put this link? Because यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन को clearly defined किया गया था कि बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ scheme was launched in the year 2015. Then National Family Health Survey, 31st of Jan, it was again seen in news in PIB. Then Lakshya Sen. So when I am saying last 3 months are the most important one, look at the thing here. Lakshya Sen, 22nd of March, and Chandrasekhar sir, 14th of March. Consumer Rights Day, 15th of March, which means the last month, तो वो मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ last 3 months तो सबसे ज्यादा important है. So this hence I got to know is that 6 months of current affair is my desirable coverage. But अगर आपने current affairs बिल्कुल ही start नहीं किया for the CIT GATE examination, guys, my sincere advice to you will be start reading the current affairs of last 3 months on priority. If you have not read even a single word, but अगर आपने पढ़ा है, अच्छी तरह cover किया है, तो then I will advise read up to 6 months. But if you have not read, do not miss this last 3 months, because majority of questions are being asked from these months. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग आफ्टर इज, कितने महीने पढ़ना है पता कर लिया, क्या क्या सिलेबस में पढ़ना है वो पता कर लिया, बट सर पढ़ना कहाँ से है, फ्रॉम वेयर टू रीड. This is the answer here, guys. Which sources if I talk about? So if I talk about, if you analyze the previous year paper, the most important thing that I found is that PIB is again a prominent source here. You can complement it with the Hindu and Business Standard newspaper. Business Standard, why I am saying is because कुछ questions जो आपके financial current affairs से पूछेंगे, they are being asked from Business Standard. But I think, guys, one thing I will sincerely say to student is, if you have, because at this point of time आपके पास ज़्यादा time नहीं है, तो if you have not read the sources, now at this point of time, leave these sources and read any magazine compilation of your choice. जो भी magazine compilation आपको पसंद है, which you can see, which is related to the CIT GATE examination, read that compilation. But important is read the compilations more, because at this point of time covering these three sources can become a very tedious task for our examination and it can cost us marks. So, हमें marks को sacrifice नहीं करना है. हम source की जगह कोई भी compilation को पकड़ के उसको अच्छी तरह read करेंगे तो we can score very good marks in the CIT GATE examination. If I talk about PIB, so PIB मैंने आपको बोला है बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, NFHS and questions from schemes are basically being asked from PIB. Then Lakshya Sen, it is seen in news in Hindu. ठीक है जी. टाटा सन चेयरमैन was again seen in news in Hindu. और स्कोर्स वाली जो न्यूज थी वो आपकी कहाँ से पूछी गई थी, फ्रॉम द बिजनेस स्टैंडर्ड. सो दिस इज अबाउट द सोर्सेज विच यू नीड टू follow. Now guys, the most important thing is we have discussed each and every thing, that कितने क्वेश्चंस आए थे, किस डायमेंशन में थे, डायमेंशन में हमें क्या पढ़ना है, कहाँ से पढ़ना है और हमें कितने महीने का पढ़ना है. बट द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज थिंग्स यू हैव टू डू एट दिस पॉइंट टू स्कोर 30 marks. My first thing is analyze the previous year questions, because if you have not analyzed the CIT GATE examination तो आपने पहले ही हार मान ली, because जिस एग्जाम के लिए आप जा रहे हो, अगर आप उस एग्जाम के लिए रेडी ही नहीं हो तो आप कैसे उस एग्जाम को क्लियर कर पाओगे. तो PYQs एनालाइजेशन इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. Then guys, my sincere advice at this point of time is read monthly compilations. If there are 2 to 3 months that might have been there, I could sincerely say कि आप newspapers को follow कीजिए. But guys, I will sincerely say read monthly compilations of your choice. Revise these notes multiple number of times, because revision is the key here. It's not about reading, it's about revisioning. तो मैं आपको बोलता हूँ R3P formula. I always say to students to score 30 marks, it's R3P formula. Read, retain, revise, and then practice. So this is the thing here. Read monthly current affairs, revise them so that you could retain this thing. Practice more and more number of MCQs as much as you can, because time is less. जितने MCQs practice कर सकते हो उनको करिए. और most important thing जो आपको 30 क्या 40 marks भी दिलवा देंगे, that is analyzation of your mistakes. It's not just guys आपने read कर लिया, revise किया और MCQs practice किया, but MCQs में जो गलतियां की हैं उनको अच्छी तरह analyze करना. You have to analyze them thoroughly so that you can score very good marks in the examination, because self analyzation is the prime source of clearing this examination. अब आगे हमने क्या करना है? Things you must avoid reading newspapers at this point of time because time is really less, guys. So avoid reading newspapers, avoid reading full documents of budget and economic survey. तो budget और economic survey मैंने आपको बोला है काफी क्वेश्चंस आए, बट आपको पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं पढ़ना है बिकॉज योर एग्जामिनेशन प्रीवियस ईयर वाज इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल, तो तब लेटेस्ट आया था. अभी भी the important thing is just have read the gist of budget and economic survey and focus more on the last 3 months current affairs, and do not go with any UPSC sources. UPSC sources are really good for the UPSC examination, but for SIT grade पे examination they are not, because data facts जो होते हैं वो वहां पे मिसिंग होते हैं, तो इतना इंपॉर्टेंट आपके लिए nahi hai. So this is the thing that you need to focus on. So guys, this is all about. And if I talk about how we are helping you, so guys, as I have discussed, schemes important hai, magazine important hai, आपके लिए reports important है, तो हम आपको तीनों documents दे रहे हैं. For schemes, we are providing you boosters, not the schemes monthly magazines. We are providing you the boosters. Schemes booster, reports booster, and we are providing you the current affair magazine in which we are covering you the GA, ESI, and banking and finance section, even in our मैगजीन इटसेल्फ. अलॉन्ग विद दिस गाइस, तो मैंने आपको एक स्टैटिक जे वाला पार्ट बोला था, बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस, जो कि करंट अफेयर से निकल सकता है, बट वी आर आल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग यू अ बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस PDF as well as quiz also in our course. So to avail this all these documents, you have to subscribe to the course of EduTap. So guys, this was all about our session. I hope this lecture is quite fruitful for you in preparing for the SIT grade examination. फिर भी आपको guys कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें email drop कर सकते हैं hello@edutap.co.in में. If you have liked the video, kindly share the video with your friends and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And to get the PDF of this lecture, guys, kindly subscribe to the Telegram channel. The link for which is given in the description below. ठीक है? So guys, wishing you all the best for your SIT grade examination. I hope this strategy will really help you in scoring not even more than 30, in scoring more than 40 marks in the examination. So bye bye guys.